All right, I'm making a video here about challenge fractions. So this is if you're finding the fractions we've been doing quite easy. This is to challenge yourself a little more. So I'm going to show you some examples. So normally with 1/2, here's what we've been doing, or 1 out of 2, right? If you have a picture like that, you color in 1 out of the 2 pieces. Okay? But now what we're going to do is, like we said, challenge you a little more. We can do 1/2 of something like this, where you're looking at that going, well, there's 4 pieces, and this is 2 pieces. But what you do is you got to look at it a little differently. That's where the challenge comes in. You got to look at it like this is a group of 2, and this is a group of 2. And then what I can do is color in 1 out of 2 on that one and 1 out of 2 on that one. So that is still 1 out of 2, or how we say it, 1/2. I've colored in 1/2 of the squares. There were 4 squares. Half of 4 is 2, so that is 1/2. Okay, and we can continue this with other fractions as well, like 1 out of 3, or another way to say it is 1/3. So what we can do is just color in one of those. There's 1 out of 3, or 1/3. But again, we can do it a little differently. So now I have 6 pieces. But again, get my green marker. This is a group of 3. So just like our denominator there, right? Get 3 pieces and another 3 pieces. And then what I do is I just color in 1 out of 3 on that one and 1 out of 3 on that one. And that gives us the 1/3. All right. I'll do one more example. So let me erase this bit. So let's see. Let's pick maybe 3 out of 5. So 3 out of 5. All right. So again, you color in 1, 2, 3 out of a total 5 pieces. But we can show this again a different way. There we go. So right here we have 20 pieces, and I'm supposed to color in 3 out of 5, or 3/5. So like I did before, there's a group of 5, there's a group of 5, there's a group of 5, there's a group of 5. So same thing like we did above, we just color in 3 on each group of 5. All right, and that shows 3/5 as well, because it's 3/5 for each 5 parts that we did. I'm actually going to do one more example. This might come up. Do this quickly here. Let's say 2 out of 3. So normally 2 out of 3 looks like that. So I'm just going to draw it a little differently this time. Let's do okay. So this can get a little tricky depending how you look at it. I've been circling them in this direction, but this one is now changed. So what I can do is I can try to draw 3 around those 3, but then it gets a little messy. Or what I can do is just, hey, 3 goes down this way, 3 goes down this way. So like I said, it's another way of looking at it. So basically, same what I did before, It's just a little turned, right? So there are my groups of 3. And now do the same thing. Color in 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So actually this fraction now is, it's still 2 out of 3, but if we counted it all up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 9, 10, 11, 12. So what this shows us is that 2 out of 3 is actually equal to 8 out of 12. Because this is 2/3, and we also create 2/3 on this one. This one just has more pieces, but they are what we call equivalent fractions or equal fractions. Okay? Challenge yourself.